Even though the official announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S24 is still 3 weeks away, a substantial amount of information about it has already leaked. We've learned about its design, features, and specifications from various sources. A recent leak has further confirmed these details and provided a comprehensive list of specifications for the upcoming phones. One notable aspect of this leak suggests that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will exclusively use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in Canada and the US, while in other countries, they will feature the Exynos 2400 processor. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in all countries worldwide. This move by Samsung to use Exynos chips for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in select markets raises questions about potential performance differences compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Now let's delve into the details mentioned in the video. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are expected to be priced a bit lower than their predecessors, making them a more budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is anticipated to have a slightly higher price than its predecessor. Here's our breakdown of the expected prices. Galaxy S24, starting at €899 for the 128GB version and €959 for the 256GB version. Galaxy S24 Plus, starting at €1,149 for the 256GB version and €1,269 for the 512GB version. Galaxy S24 Ultra, starting at €1,449 for the 256GB version and €1,569 for the 512GB version. It's worth noting that there is also a 1TB version of the S24 Ultra, but its price hasn't been disclosed yet. These prices may vary slightly due to different tax rates in various European countries. This year, Samsung received praise for the Galaxy S23 series, considered one of the best smartphones in 2023. Users and experts alike gave it great reviews and it sold well. The success of these models was largely attributed to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which delivered excellent performance without overheating, slowdowns, or battery issues. However, this exclusive use of Snapdragon chips might not be ideal for countries outside the US and Canada. Now let's move to the design and specifications of each model. Galaxy S24. It features a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340x1080. It will run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in the USA and South Korea, while the European variant will use the Exynos 2400. It offers 8GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB. The device houses a 4000 mAh battery with 25 EoE fast charging. Galaxy S24 Plus. This model boasts a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120x1440. It comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the USA and South Korea, while the European version uses the Exynos 2400. It offers a generous 12GB of RAM and storage choices of 256GB or 512GB. The device packs a 4900 mAh battery with 45 EoE fast charging. Galaxy S24 Ultra. The flagship of the lineup features a 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3880x1440. It uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor worldwide, setting it apart from the S24 and S24 Plus. It offers 12GB of RAM with storage options of 256GB or 512GB. The device houses a robust 5000 mAh battery with 45 AU fast charging. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series seems poised for success, with various improvements and smart choices in processor usage. A slightly lower prices for the S24 and S24 Plus make them attractive options, while the S24 Ultra offers top-tier specifications and a brighter display. As we approach the official launch, more details may emerge and the prices might vary based on location. Stay tuned for updates and feel free to share your opinions in the comments section.